Hey there, friend. Are you waking up with those achy joints again? That nagging stiffness in your knees? Or maybe a cough that just won't quit? I get it. It's so easy to think, well, this is just what getting older feels like, right? But what if I told you there's a simple, gentle way to ease that pain using just two things you've probably got in your kitchen: castor oil and garlic? Sounds too easy, doesn't it? Stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this little trick could have you feeling better in just 7 days. So, what's this video all about? I'm sharing a remedy that's been helping folks like us for generations. It's not a magic pill, no way. But give it a week and you might notice less pain, easier breathing, maybe even a bit more pep in your step. I'll walk you through exactly how to use it, what it can help with, and why it's such a game changer for our golden years. Ready to feel stronger? Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about castor oil. You know that thick golden stuff in a bottle? It's not just any oil, it's like a superhero for your body. See, when you're dealing with pain, like in your knees or back, it's deep, right? It's not just on the surface. That's where castor oil shines. It doesn't just sit on your skin, it sinks in, way down to where the pain and swelling are hiding. It's been used forever to ease sore joints, reduce puffiness, even soften up scars. I tried it on my wrists a while back. Oh man, they were so achy, I could barely pour my morning coffee without wincing. After a few days of using castor oil, I felt this warm, soothing relief, like my body was finally letting go of all that tension. It's not instant, but it's real. And the best part, no side effects, no prescriptions, just something natural your body loves. So, why is this oil so special? It's like a warm hug for your sore spots. But what if we could make it even better? Hang on, because there's another ingredient that takes this to the next level. Now, let's chat about garlic. Yep, that smelly stuff you chop up for spaghetti sauce. It's not just for cooking, it's like nature's own medicine cabinet. Did you know garlic can fight bacteria and viruses better than some fancy antibiotics? Studies say it's up to 6 times stronger than certain prescription drugs. That's not just old wives' tales, that's science catching up. But it's not just about fighting germs. Garlic tackles inflammation too, helping your body clear out what's slowing you down. My friend Sue, she had these awful sinus infections year after year. She started using garlic in a simple remedy, and in just a few days, she was breathing clear as a bell. Another pal used it for chest congestion and slept through the night without coughing for the first time in months. Worried about the smell? Don't be. You don't have to chomp on raw cloves. We're going to mix just a tiny bit with castor oil and use it on your skin. It's gentle, it's effective, and it knows exactly where to go. So, how do we bring these two powerhouses together? Let's get to the fun part. Okay, here's where it gets really easy. You want a natural way to feel better, but you're thinking, is this going to be complicated? Nope, this is so simple you'll wish you'd known it years ago. Here's how to make what I call the magic compress. Grab a soft cloth, maybe an old t-shirt you don't wear anymore. Lay it on some plastic wrap to keep things tidy. Now, drizzle about a teaspoon of castor oil right in the middle. That thick oil will just sit there, ready to work. Then take half a clove of garlic, yep, just a little, and grate it finely like you're seasoning a dish. Mix it into the oil on the cloth, let it soak in for a sec, and you're good to go. Place that cloth oil side down on wherever it hurts, your knee, your back, maybe your chest if you're feeling congested. Wrap it up with a towel or a bandage to keep it snug and leave it there for at least an hour. Want deeper relief? Leave it on overnight. Just cover your sheets with an old towel. For an extra boost, pop a heating pad on top. That warmth helps the oil sink in even more. After you're done, fold the cloth, stick it in a plastic bag, and keep it in the fridge. You can reuse it for a few days. Just add a drop of oil and a pinch of garlic each time. That's it. No fuss, no expensive gadgets. But what happens when you do this for a week? Oh, let me tell you my story. I was skeptical at first. I mean, I've tried everything for my wrist pain: creams, pills, you name it. It was this dull ache that woke me up at night, made me dread little things like buttoning my coat. I thought, this is just how it is now. But I gave this compress a shot, and wow, am I glad I did. The first night, I didn't feel much, just a calm, warm feeling where I put it. By day 3, my wrist was moving a bit easier, like the inflammation was melting away. By day 7, I woke up, realized I'd slept all night. No pain, no tossing and turning. I could turn a doorknob without that sharp twinge. It felt like I'd gotten 5 years back. My friend Louise, a retired teacher, tried it on her lower back. She'd been in pain for decades from standing in classrooms. 2 weeks in, she called me crying. Happy tears. She said, I forgot what it's like to walk without bracing myself. Another friend, a guy in his 70s, used it on an old ankle injury. 10 days later, he was walking farther, no brace needed. It's not a cure-all, but it's a gentle nudge your body needs to heal. So, what exactly can this little compress do for you? Let's break it down. First up, arthritis. If your hands or knees are stiff and swollen, it's like your joints are screaming at you, right? It makes tying shoes or holding a mug so hard. This compress is a lifesaver. Castor oil and garlic team up to calm that inflammation deep down. A lady in her 70s used it on her knuckles and was back to knitting scarves for her grandkids in weeks. Try it daily on sore spots. You'll feel the difference. Next, bone spurs. Those painful little bumps, like on your heel, can make every step a nightmare. I had one that hurt worst in the mornings. The compress softened the tissue around it, and in a few weeks, the pain was barely there. If your spur's been around a while, give it a month or two, but keep at it. Then, chest or sinus troubles. Coughing all night or sinus pressure that won't quit, it's exhausting. Put the compress on your chest or forehead. Careful near your eyes. Garlic breaks up mucus, and the oil loosens tightness. One woman cleared her winter cough in days. Breathing easier feels like freedom. What about digestion? Bloating or constipation can make you dread eating. It's no way to live. Place the compress on your belly, and it gently gets things moving. A nurse I know said her digestion felt normal again in days, and she was thrilled to enjoy meals without worry. Finally, skin issues or more. Got itchy eczema, painful fibroids, or even hemorrhoids? This compress can help. It soothes skin, and one woman shrank her fibroid by half in months. For hemorrhoids, freeze the compress for fast relief. It even supports your liver or kidneys when applied to the right spots. Sounds amazing, right? But before you start, let's talk about doing this safely. Okay, you're excited to try this, but maybe you're worried about getting it wrong. Don't be. This is super safe if you follow a few tips. First, never put raw garlic on your skin. It's strong and can burn. Always mix it with castor oil on a cloth. Test it on your forearm for 15 minutes first to make sure your skin's okay with it. Don't drink castor oil. It's for skin only, or it might upset your stomach. Cover your clothes or sheets with a towel because that oil's sticky. Store your compress in a bag in the fridge, and after a week, make a fresh one. Use it 5 to 7 nights a week, maybe with a heating pad, but keep the heat gentle, no burns. Listen to your body. If you feel any irritation, pause and adjust. And if you're on meds or have serious health issues, check with your doctor first. Start slow and you'll feel like a pro in no time. So, why is this worth your time? Let's wrap it up. Here's the deal, friends. This compress is a small trick with big results. Let's recap. It eases pain naturally. No pills, just castor oil and garlic fighting arthritis or spurs. It helps you breathe and move better, clearing congestion and loosening joints. It supports your whole body, digestion, skin, even fibroids. It's safe, cheap, and you can do it at home. Most importantly, it reminds you your body can still heal, no matter how old you are. This isn't about a quick fix. It's about waking up with less pain, walking a bit farther, feeling like you again. I've been there, frustrated, achy, thinking this is just how it is. But your body's still fighting for you. You deserve to garden, play with your grandkids, or just sip your coffee without wincing. Try this for 7 days. 1 week, that's all I'm asking. You might be amazed. So what's next? Grab some castor oil and garlic tonight. Make that compress, give it a go. In the comments, type, I'm ready to say you're in. Share this with a friend who's hurting too. They'll thank you. Want more tips? Check the links below for stuff like making probiotics or testing vitamin D. Here's to feeling your best every single day. I'll see you soon.